We'll guide you through how to make golden text in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because golden text effects are popular for creating eye-catching and professional-looking designs. Begin by opening your Windows computer and making sure it is fully ready for use. Once your device is on, launch Canva by opening it through your browser or desktop application, then log into your account if required. After Canva loads successfully, locate and click the Create a Design button, which is usually positioned at the top right corner of the interface. Next, choose your preferred design size, depending on your project needs. For this tutorial, we will use a presentation format as an example to keep things simple and structured. Select the presentation option to open a blank workspace. Once inside the editor, navigate to the Apps menu found on the left-hand panel. In the search bar within the Apps section, type fontframe and wait for the results to appear. When you find the correct app, click on it to activate the feature. After that, click Add Text to insert a new text box onto your canvas. In the text box, type How to Make Golden Text in Canva as your sample content so you can clearly see the effect later. Then, adjust the font style according to your preference by selecting a font that looks bold and clear, as this will better showcase the golden effect. Next, click the Choose File button within the fontframe tool. Before proceeding, make sure you already have a gold texture image saved on your device, as this image will be used to create the golden text effect. Select the gold texture image and upload it into Canva. Once the texture appears within your text, adjust the image zoom to control how the gold texture fits inside the letters. Take your time to position it properly for the best visual result. If needed, enhance the appearance by adding an outline to your text for better contrast and readability. Finally, click Add to Design to apply and place your completed golden text onto your canvas.